Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use the Yoast SEO plugin for your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after doing so, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, log into your account. If you do not already have one, create one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page after you open up your website that you want to edit. So in this home page, you'll be greeted by your website and all the sections you can access right here, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So guys, let's go and see how to get started with using the plugin we are looking for. What we're looking for, guys, is right here at the bottom of the page. You want to scroll down a bit and find the plugin sections at the left side screen. You want to open up plugins. Click on plugins, and this is now going to open up this new plugin menu where you can get started finding the plugins that you want to use for your website. And guys, you can see immediately when we open it up, it's going to be the first option right here called Yoast SEO Premium, but sometimes it may not be here in the menu. So if you want, you can just use the search bar right here at the top of the screen and search for Yoast. As you can see, after searching for Yoast, it's going to give us the result right here. We are looking for Yoast SEO. You can use the free plan right here, or you can use the premium application. Doesn't matter. Choose whichever option you want and click on it. After successfully clicking on it, as you can see, you can get started upgrading your plan if you have not already. And once you have upgraded your plan, you can click the install button right here. So by clicking the install button, it's going to add it to your store and you'll be able to access the plugin and get started with using it for your website. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.